Here I have KYOCERA Torque, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Keep holding power button. From the following menu, choose power off and tab OK to confirm it. Alright, now let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the following combination of keys: volume down and power key. Let's hold down together this combination of keys, so volume down and power key simultaneously. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as KYOCERA logo pops up on the screen. Now we have to wait until the Android system recovery pops up. Alright, this is the Android system recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition, press power key to choose it. The device is wiping cache files. Now let's press power key to reboot system now, and the KYOCERA is simply restarting and booting into a normal mode. Alright, now you can use your home screen, so everything went well. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.